Hello everyone, it's Jessica and welcome to this week's Thrifting in 2022 video. So my first stop on today's trip is Goodwill, and I did find a couple of things here, and I also stopped into the Restore because I was looking for something very specific and I knew they would have what I was looking for. I will share with you what I got at Goodwill and what I got at Restore at the end of today's video, but first I wanted to show you everything that caught my eye in Goodwill, and I will also show you everything that caught my eye in Restore. And let me know what your favorite item was on today's trip. I really enjoy reading everybody's answers down in the comments. If you enjoy thrifting content like this, definitely check out my Thrifting in 2022 playlist. I will have it linked at the top of the screen here. And also don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. So the first item that I purchased at Goodwill today was this brand new Lutron lamp dimmer. It was only $2.19, and I honestly didn't even know lamp dimmers existed, or I never really thought about them. I was really happy to find this one here today. It's going to go perfect in my guest bedroom, and as you can see, I already have it hooked up in here. I'm loving it. It's really easy to use, and if you're looking for one of these, they actually have them on Amazon, and they're about $15, and they come in different colors. I'm probably going to end up getting a couple more of these because I really like them, and I will put the Amazon link down in my description box in case you want to check them out for yourself. And the last item that I bought at Goodwill today was a purse for myself. I had been looking for a purse at like TJ Maxx and Marshall's with no luck for a couple of months now, and when I spotted this one at Goodwill today, I knew it was perfect for me. It was $9.47, but it was in great condition. And here's what it looks like all spread out, and I did give it a good wipe down on the inside and outside. It also had this little wallet that attaches to the inside, and when I opened it up, I saw the brand logo, and it was from a store called Altered State. So there is an Altered State in my local mall, and I have been in there before. Their stuff is pretty pricey, and when I checked on their website, most of their purses retailed from anywhere from like $50 to $70, so I definitely got a good deal on this one. I really love the straps on this purse. They have like a chain with the leather wrapped around them, and I thought that was a really cool detail. So now I'm going to take you into the Habitat for Humanity Restore. I'm going to take you around and show you everything that caught my eye in the store today, and then I will share with you what I purchased. So the first piece of furniture that caught my eye right when I walked in the store was this coffee table. It was vintage and it had a blue tinted mirror on the top of it, and I've never seen anything like that. I thought it was pretty cool. And then when I was walking around, I noticed an end table that went with the coffee table, and it had that same blue tinted mirror on top. And this one right here was only $10. So the whole reason that I came into the Restore today was to get a few drawer handles. Restore always has a really good selection of these, and I only needed 3. The price per handle was only 50 cents, which is a great deal because normally these retail for like $3 to $4 at Home Depot or Lowe's, depending on what you get. I bought these to replace the drawer handles that came with my desk, and here's what they look like on my desk. I really like them, and I was happy to find these today. So that is everything that I found thrifting at Goodwill and Restore on today's trip. My thrift store assistant Peanut did approve of my purchases, and check out the purse. It has matching ears just like Peanut. I thought that was hilarious. Anyways, I hope this video inspires you to go out and go thrifting because you never know what you're going to find out there. Thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you next week with a new thrifting video.